Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bitcoindogs token. Ticker symbol is $0DOG. Now this is a brand new token that's going to start their pre-sale very soon in a couple days here on their webpage, bitcoindogs.club. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual at Bitcoindogs Club. They have the blue verified check mark, 55,800 Twitter followers, and they just joined in December 2023 on Twitter, so they're doing very well for a short amount of time. Now, pre-sale starts at Valentine's Day. You can see right on their Twitter there, it says pre-sale coming Feb 14th. Get in on history's first ever pre-sale on BRC20. Bitcoin, the OG, is back, and then it shows the ticker symbol, and $0DOG is here to ride the wave. So that is the ticker symbol for this token, is $0DOG. They have 41 tweets so far. They have a full link tree. If you click on that link tree, it's going to take you anywhere you need to go. So it has a sign up button where you could sign up for the pre-sale there. There's got a Reddit, Instagram, TikTok, and their so basically it's going to take you to their webpage, which is bitcoindogs.club. Now if you go to their webpage, you'll see that they have links to their full white paper, socials. Top right hand corner it says connect your wallet. Now you can't do that yet because the pre-sale is not live until February 14th. But right on their webpage, they have a countdown. So it's counting down right now as I'm watching it. It says pre-sale will start in 3 days, 23 hours, 38 minutes, and it's just counting down. So eventually, you'll be able to just connect your wallet, and you can join a wait list for now, too, as well. If you want to join a wait list, there's a wait list button, and I believe that's the thing in the link tree there that says join, and you click that. You can fill out a form to join the wait list. But when the pre-sale starts, it says select payment, so you click on that, and it's going to tell you, Ethereum or USDT or BNB. And then you could trade it for the ODOG token right on the page there. And they do have a full audit by Solid Proof that you could check out as well. So there's all sorts of information there. Even more information if you go over to their full white paper, wilddogs.gitbook.io/Bitcoin-dogs. So it says, a warm welcome to Bitcoindogs. If you can't wait to be a part of the Bitcoindogs Club, you've come to the right place because this really is a first of its kind. The key components of Bitcoindogs include the ODOG token, the Bitcoindogs game, the Bitcoindogs community, and Bitcoindogs 10,000 NFT collection on ordinals. So they go over history of Bitcoin and all this type of stuff on here. We don't need to go over that. But it says, join the pack. No ordinary hounds here. Welcome to Bitcoindogs, where we don't just toe the line. We run around the yard chasing those boundaries until they throw us treats. If you're an early adopter who enjoys running ahead of the pack, then you're barking up the right blockchain. This pre-sale is breaking boundaries by minting the entire token supply on BRC20, allowing purchases on ERC20 while supporting a Bitcoin wallet address. So I'm assuming, the main currency you can use for purchasing this pre-sale is going to be Ethereum, most likely USDT2. Maybe they'll allow card, like a credit card or something. I'm not sure. We'll have to wait until the pre-sale starts. It says, at the pre-sale finale, all purchases will sync up with their Bitcoin wallet addresses and the tokens will rain down on BRC20. 810 million tokens are up for grabs. Take it or leave it, your choice. So they have the NFTs that I mentioned earlier called the NFT Bitcoindogs Club. Welcome to the Bitcoindogs, where rough standards are the norm. Our dogs aren't just digital fur balls, they're meticulously bred pixel pooches from the finest virtual homes, a tail-wagging NFT collection for everyone. Our collection of 10,000 NFTs is like a dog show in your pocket. Whether you're a casual pupper admirer or a full-blown doggo devotee, we've got you covered. Think of them as the creme de la creme of the NFT world, each with a bark louder than its bite. Fancy displaying your virtual best friends in the Bitcoindog NFT collections? You can curate and parade the digital companions for the world and potential buyers to drool over. It's not just a game, your digital doggo paradise. So join the party at Bitcoindogs Club, collecting, breeding, socializing, all at the same time. So imagine a place where the O-Dog tokens roam free and everyone speaks fluent dog. Reserved for O-Dog holders, this club is exclusive as it gets. Think of it as a VIP lounge, but more of a virtual tail wagging and less of velvet rope. So, I mean, you get the idea here. So they have the dog owner's manual on their Git book. That's basically going to tell you all about the NFTs, how you could show them off. There's something called the crib, the secure wallets for, and then there's the diet, the good life, the furry friends and rivals, no pain, all gain, it says here. And then they have the Dogga map. So this is the roadmap here starting in Q1 2024 with staking pools open for business, BRC20 ready, going public on a central exchange. NFT collection will debut after that in Q2. That's when the NFTs come out this year. Then Bitcoindogs game beta version, so most likely you could use the NFTs in the game and the token. Play to earn partnerships. Then full launch of the game, events on social media, launching the multi-chain bridge. Q4 this year, additional chains, so they're going to go cross-chain, governance voting rights, game partnerships, and then next year, metaverse stuff will come out, and then further expansions. So how the token is allocated here, it says 2% goes to the dev team, 3% marketing, 5% liquidity pool, and then we got 90% going to pre-sale and initial coin offering. So check this all out. You can find their, the full link tree right here is going to take you anywhere you need to go. Check them out on Twitter here at Bitcoindogs Club. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.